Specialised Movers is a removals and storage company employing modern moving methods while adopting a great traditional approach to best practice and customer service. We are BAR registered that provide commercial and domestic removals including houses, flats, offices, libraries, factories, hospitals, museums, schools and local government facilities. We take time to listen, to understand your needs and then provide a service tailored to your requirements and budget. We have the necessary British standards, industry training, health and safety accreditations, statutory certification and professional insurers for all your moving, storage and disposal requirements. We directly employ professionally trained, experienced and security vetted removals operatives, own a large fleet of removals vehicles, possess the right equipment and specialist moving technology, and have the warehousing to successfully complete all types of business and home moving and storage solutions. We understand that each home move is different and can be challenging at times. This is why we can provide a home moving checklist. Our handy checklist allows you to reference to the checklist throughout your move. The checklist is full of handy reminders of things that may slip your mind during such a busy and potentially stressful time. We are always more than happy to help with any issues you may face throughout your moving process. For more information, give us a call or get an instant online quote for your home move.